Good morning. Hi, 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 hi. Hi. So, aside from being insanely happy because my life is amazing, I have to make a video because I can and stuff. So, I'm gonna show you another clip of Honey because she's amazing and everyone loves her. This is what she does. She's fast asleep right now. Okay, so like, ready? Watch this. Hi, Honey. Okay, she wasn't really asleep. I just woke her up. But ready? This is what she does when she just wakes up. She does this, and then if you touch her, she goes like that. She likes having her belly rubbed. And she looks at you with those eyes that are like, can you keep going? Don't stop, don't stop. And she has these fluffy feet. They're like really floppy. They're like paddles. Use your flippers to get down. And yeah, she licks her lips. Hang on, let's see if she does it. I'm just gonna get off the chair. I'm rolling the chair away. If you go like this to her, she kisses you on the cheek. Ready? Okay, she didn't do it. How awkward. She knows she's on camera. Do you know you're on camera? I love you. Yes. You're the best puppy ever. Ever? Forever? Ever? Forever? Ever? And she's like laying on this cushion, which is like on a blanket and on another blanket, because we just like made it neat today. And so she's like laying on this thing. She had to jump up there because it's like 7 foot high. But like before I patted her and she rolled onto her back and she fell off the edge there. And then she was like, ah, and then she was stuck and I laughed at her. Oh, that's her face that's like, stop laughing at me, Katie. Isn't she adorable? Hello. Hello. See, she licks it. She kisses you on the cheek. I know it's a bit disgusting, but it's really cute. Ready? Ready? We'll do it again. I wonder if, I hope this goes on camera. Okay, hang on. Oh, there's a mirror there. There's like a window here. Whoa, hang on. I can't see it. There I am. Whoa. Honey. No, she doesn't do it. She doesn't do it on call. She does it sometimes, but not when I'm filming. You're adorable. I love you. Also, there's a mad song in this at the start of this film clip, I think, if you listen to it carefully. And yeah, I'll put the band's MySpace address in the sidebar, which, hang on, it's that way. So you should check them out. They're called Slow Down Honey. And if you've watched any of my videos, you've already checked them out. But check them out again. P.S. I'm in love.